we are getting hands-on with Hikoki's brand new plunge saw. This is a brushless 36 volt, so they're multi-volt platform. This is the C3606 DPA, and this is really, really impressive. We've been lucky enough to get hands-on before it comes out, and I've just got to tell you everything that you need to know about this tool, because you are going to be very, very surprised. We have said countless times before that Hikoki are known for their innovation. They are known for pushing the boundaries, especially with their cordless tools. And the reason for that is because some people don't actually know, but Hikoki have been doing this for a long, long time. So Hikoki actually stands for Hitachi Koki. So they were formerly known as Hitachi Power Tools, one of the globe's leading power tool manufacturers. And they've rebranded as Hikoki, and they are still producing some fantastic bits of kit, including this. Because when I first had a look at this tool, you have a little look around, you want to see what it can do. The depth on this, you could get a maximum depth of cut of up to 66 mil, which is some of the best plunge cutting depths in the industry. And alongside from that, you're getting maximum flexibility here with the bevel ranging from 46 all the way down to -1, so you can even get those nice back cuts as well with this tool. Not only does it boast that impressive plunge depth, but also you have got a nice variable speed dial on the back to give you maximum control, ranging from 2,500 RPM all the way through to 5,200 RPM, which Hikoki are boasting being one of the fastest plunge cutting speeds in the industry. So once again, that innovation coming to light. If you are looking to get your hands on something, something fresh, something that is changing the game, and Hikoki are doing it for you with this tool. And like I said, this is a multi-volt tool running on those 36 volt batteries. And that is impressive technology in its own right, because those batteries not only can run in a 36 volt tool like this, but they could also run in 18 volt tools as well. So you get the flexibility with the battery alongside from the fact that this tool is just so impressive. It is also running off of a brushless motor, so you're seeing maximum efficiency, maximum runtime, and low maintenance. And with something like this, of course, safety is going to be key, which is why you've got a handy dust extraction port on the back here. Really, really impressive brand new tool from Hikoki. This is the C3606 DPA 36 volt brushless plunge saw, coming very soon to its.co.uk.